Hey traders, welcome back to another day in the world of trading. It's a new day, a new opportunity, and I've got some powerful motivation to fuel your journey. The market is a battlefield, and every day presents a chance to conquer it. Remember, successful traders are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. Inspirational quotes. Light bulb, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Light bulb, in trading and investing, it's not about how much you make, but rather how much you don't lose. Bernard Baruch. Today, embrace the uncertainty. Markets may be unpredictable, but your strategy and discipline can be your guiding light. Tap into the power of knowledge, stay informed, and adapt. The market rewards those who are prepared. Look at the greats, from Warren Buffett to Jesse Livermore. They faced challenges but emerged victorious because they stayed resilient. So, fellow traders, as you dive into today's market, remember, you have the skills, the knowledge, and the determination. Seize the day, make informed decisions, and let success be your noise. If you found this motivation valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow traders. Until next time, trade smart, stay focused, and may the profits be ever in your favor.